Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to unlink OneDrive from your WordPress site. The most common way WordPress connects with OneDrive is through a plugin. So to unlink OneDrive, all we need to do is uninstall that plugin. Let's start by going to the WordPress dashboard. On the left side menu, find the section called Plugins and click on it. Now you will see a list of all the plugins installed on your site. Look for the plugin that connects your WordPress site to OneDrive. The name might be something like Integration for SharePoint and OneDrive or something similar. Once you find the correct plugin, check if it's active. If it is active, first click the Deactivate link under the plugin's name. This will stop the plugin from running on your site. After it is deactivated, you will now see a link that says Delete. Click on Delete to remove the plugin from your WordPress installation. WordPress will ask if you're sure you want to delete the plugin. Click Yes or OK to confirm. After that, the plugin will be removed, and your WordPress site will no longer be connected to OneDrive. Now that the plugin is gone, your WordPress site is no longer linked to your OneDrive account. That's it. You've successfully unlinked WordPress from OneDrive by uninstalling the plugin. Thanks for watching.